Welcome to Molner LLC, where dreams meet design. Based out of Cincinnati, Ohio, we're more than just a renovation company. We are craftsmen, visionaries, and dedicated professionals. With years of expertise, our team transforms spaces, weaving in innovation with tradition. From the rustic charm of historic homes to the sleek lines of modern design, we cater to all. Integrity is our foundation, ensuring every project stands the test of time. Cincinnati's homes hold stories. Let Molner LLC be a part of yours. Molner LLC, building tomorrow's legacy today.